Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a different type of video, something new to me, so please bear with me. A company called INNOVV has reached out and asked me to do an unboxing and test of their one product. In the box that this came in, they sent me two stickers, a small one and a little bit larger one. The product that they sent me was their tire inflator, the P1 tire inflator. It is a mobile tire inflator, which is good to have for your motorcycle. You can leave in your saddlebag, or if you don't have a motorcycle, you could leave it in your glove box in your car. Before we open up the box, let's see what the box has to say. Quick inflation supports up to 150 psi for quick and effortless inflation. Portable design, lightweight and easy to carry. Safe and reliable, built-in overpressure protection. A long battery life, actually 600 milliamp hour battery for extensive use. Built-in light, easy operation in the dark. It's suitable for cars or vehicles, motorcycles, bicycles, and sport balls. Before we jump into opening the box, I do want to let you guys know, again, this was sent to me at no cost to myself. Also, they gave me a discount code to publish for you guys, which I will post at the end of the video. I will also have in the description a link for my affiliate page that you can buy through or buy INNOVV, which will give me a little bit of money, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. So please, if you want to buy INNOVV products, use my affiliation page. Now let's get into opening the box. So it looks like it's just a sleeve. So just slide it out. And just like a cell phone, slides up. And inside they have more stickers. The operation manual. There's the unit. You got your, looks like the port for your air hose, a USB-A and a USB-C. I believe the USB-C is to charge it, and the USB-A, you can charge your cell phone. I don't know if you can charge your cell phone using the USB-C or not, but I do know that the USB-A, you're supposed to be able to charge your cell phone or any other device. But it's pretty light. You got the light up here as well. They have, see if I can get a good angle on it. They have air holes spelling out their company name, which is pretty neat. They have their company name here. Let's see, power on. You got bar, which you can change the settings. PSI, looks like bar and PSI. It looks like I missed this, but right here has a car, so it looks like for your vehicle. You got for your motorcycle, for bicycle, and for sport balls. So that's pretty neat. What else do we got in the box here? It's another filler, another filler. Looks like a bag, a storage bag. Just a nice nylon bag with drawstrings. Cinch it up, you put your pump into it. And then this box, there's nothing else in here. Looks like your hose, USB-A, USB-C for charging, your hose, and then connectors. You got your needle for your sport balls, plugs for bigger, like your beach balls and stuff like that. Pretty nice. And then here's the hose, has the lock mechanism, just like you would have on a pump. The threaded area, which, like I said, goes here. Just twist it on. And there we are. Let's see about this light. So the top button turns your light on. Press it again, gives SOS in red, and then strobing red, and then off. So that's pretty neat. I gotta see. Okay, so if you press and hold the bottom button, it changes between PSI, bar, KPA, which is kilopascals, I think, and then kilogram per centimeter cubed, squared. Can't really make out. Alright, well, we're out at the motorcycle. I deflated a little bit of the air out of the front tire so we could test this pump out. So let's see what I deflated it to. Let's see. So let's set it to 33. That's what I set my tires at. And right now it's at 23.5, 24. Once it hits the pressure, it automatically stops, which is perfect. You don't have to sit there and monitor it if you don't want to. So that's a great deal. Let it go. Alright, well, we're back at the table. One thing I noticed is it does automatically shut off after a certain amount of time as far as your screen. so it saves on the battery. So if there's time in the lapse, you got to make sure you press the power button to turn it back on. So again, seems to be pretty sturdy, well built. It's you can use it for your vehicles, from your car to your pickup trucks, your radar trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, sport balls, whatever you have. I'd like to thank INNOVV for the opportunity to test this out. And like I said, I have a discount code. The discount code is WOFA, which is for Wheels of Freedom Adventures. And again, I will have in the description a link for an affiliate page. I would greatly appreciate you guys using that if you decide to buy something from INNOVV. They have anything from tire pumps to consoles for motorcycles and cars to connect your phone and be able to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So check them out. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.